guys, so for today's video, samahan nyo ako mag-get ready with me tayo. Pero bago yan, hindi, after ng get ready with me, guys, medyo nabubulol-bulol pa ako kasi maaga pa. I mean, hindi naman maagang maaga, but meron kaming pinuntahan ni Chef Corina. Which, mamaya, ikikwento ko sa inyo kung ano. And I'm very, very excited about it. So, yun. So, nung pabalik na, so we decided to get a cup of coffee from Starbucks. Sana makatulong to sa aking early morning dilemma. Yan. Kasi, yan, hindi ako pwedeng magsimula ng trabaho nang walang kape at ako ay magbubulol-bulol. Okay, so for today's video, get ready with me. Kasi after ko nito, may gagawin akong unboxing na bonggang-bongga and I'm very, very excited. Ilang araw na akong hindi makatulog dahil dito, no? So, yan. So, start na natin ng mabilis lang, no? Gusto ko rin sanang ilagay yung isama dito sa video yung what's inside my Kikay kit. So, ito yon siya actually. Ito ay yung mga makeup products na dinadala ko pagka halimbawa alis ako pang retouch. Ayan, pero pagka long trip, eto dala ko yan siya lahat. Tapos pagka yung dyan lang sa school, nag-decide ako na magdala na lang ng maliit na pouch na meron lang siyang yung aking moisturizing balm, breath freshener, isang lipstick at saka yung inhaler ko, tapos isang piraso ng panty liners kasi sobrang bigat talaga ng laman nito. So to start with, ang routine ko every time I do or put some makeup, meron akong dito, itong mist. Ito, hindi ko din i-dispose yung lalagyan nito. Originally, Lux spray mist, facial face mist. Ang ganda kasi ang ganda nung labas nung nung mist niya. Talagang hindi overwhelming, hindi yung parang magugulat ka or talagang sakto lang yan siya. Maganda, pinong-pino lang yung kanyang yung labas ng mist sa mukha. Pero ang laman na nito, hindi na nga yung original. Nilagyan ko siya ng Celetec Micellar. I think this is the Micellar Hydration Micellar Water Toner. Actually, dalawa to. Toner tsaka yung micellar water. Pinagsama ko and then I put on some essential oil which I will reveal to you in a little while. Actually, hindi naman yan hindi naman secret na yan eh. So, I put some essential oils from Young Living. So, yun yung nilalagay ko dito. So, I think ang nilagay ko dito ay rosemary and frankincense, I think, no? So, maganda. Na-hydrate yung aking muka and then at the same time, moisturized siya at maganda. Maganda pagka naglagay tayo ng makeup. So, ito yung first item na nilalagay ko sa face ko. First product. So, pagka medyo na-absorb lang siya, at saka mabilis siya ma-absorb, And then, lately, hindi na ako meron akong breakout dito, guys. Lately, hindi na ako lalagay ng masyadong foundation kung hindi naman required yung heavy makeup. Or yung glam makeup, no? So, eto, I just discovered Dr. Leo, diba? Dr. Leo from TikTok. So, lang din to parang, anong tawag sa kanya? 2-in-1 to multi-effect isolation cream. So, yan. Actually, ang ganda ng effect nito. Parang parang fresh lang. Actually, ganito ako maglagay ng makeup Parang bargas-bargas lang. Bargas-bargas. Okay, so after nyan, yun, di ba parang nag-iba kagad yung niya. Yung skin ko, parang na-cover up niya ng something. And then, I just discovered also this one. Etong, walang salamin no? Basta, cooling din to sa mata. Pag medyo puffy pa yung mata mo, bagong gising ka, ganyan. So, this is perfect. Ayan siya, ganun lang kakonti. And then, of course, yung aking Kilay is Life. Lang naman to. Actually, yung kilay ko naman is gawa naman siya. Gawa? I mean, ano tawag nito? Microblade naman siya, but I need to fill in the spaces. Fill in the blanks ng eyebrow mascara. Tapos, ano ko lang siya. Brush ko lang siya with this spoolie, like so, para lang mag-even out. Ayan. Ganyan lang kabilis. Tapos, I have here a new product which I really, really love. This is the lipstick from O2O. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng ano niya, effect niya. So, itong moisturizing balm ko, ano to multi-purpose. Kahit saan siya. Pwede dito, pwede sa lips. So, itong lipstick na to, in the shade, ang ganda ng shade nito. Grabe. Ito na yung ginagawa kong blush na din. Actually. Blush and lipstick na rin siya. Sa mata na rin. Konting para lang medyo may glow yung mata mo, hindi ba? So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Actually, dalawang shade ito, but I love this much better. Guys, ganyan lang ako mag-makeup. Walang arte, walang anong ritual. Very straightforward lang. Hindi naman ako talagang magaling mag-makeup eh. Natutunan ko na lang over the years na talagang sumusunod ako sa mga vlogger, content creator. Ito yung isang shade. Hindi niyo siya ma-appreciate siguro sa sa video. But in person, ang ganda niya. Transfer proof pa ito, guys, ha. Maganda rin siya sa maganda rin siya sa lips eh, pero mas gusto ko yung isa. So, yan, yung parang hiya ka lang, parang naarawan ka lang ng konti, and then I finish it off again with this one. Yung iba kasi gusto nila matte yung finish ng face nila, but I like this much better. And then yan, so ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko, blower, and then proceed na tayo dun sa talagang main event ng aking pag-unbox. So, hi guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kinuha namin ni Chef Corina from LBC Hub dito sa may Almeda. No, kasi actually this was sent after nung typhoon dito, Typhoon Christine, and I am one of the luckiest recipient of Young Living Ayuda. So, alam niyo yun, guys, to be honest, no, pwera yung kaplastikan or whatsoever, I have been doing some things for for humanity. Sabihin na natin for humanity as a simple contribution to the society, which I don't really expect something in return. Kasi sabi nga natin may mga well, to be honest, no, may mga times din talaga na we give out because we are expecting something in return. But for this particular occasion, di ko naman sinasabi na lagi akong ganito. May mga instances and occasions na talagang when I give out or whenever I help or give service to people, walang ine-expect, no? So parang sa akin, during the pandemic talaga, during the typhoon, I was really, really lucky na hindi naman ako super duper na apektuhan dito. Sa akin, that would be enough. I'm very, very grateful. And then, I do not have so much to give out also when it, in terms of money, finances, ganyan. So, sa akin, service is very important. And that is something na pwede ko lang din ibigay. So, ang dami kong introduction. Every time talaga ako nag-video, ang dami kong introduction. But, yeah, Young Living sent out ayuda. And I am very, very excited to unbox this. I am one of the luckiest recipient of Young Living ayuda. So, thank you very much, Young Living for this one, I am very, very happy. Kahit di ko pa siya nabubuksan kasi medyo matagal-tagal na itong dumating sa hub. Hindi lang siya nade-deliver. Kaya, kasi ang dami talagang deliveries. That's the reason why we went out and just pick this up. At ito na nga yan siya. So, kunin ko lang yung akin. So, ito na yung cutter natin. Sabi nga ng mga di ba, yung ganyan. So, kung yung iba, very, very excited mag-unbox ng mga labubu something nila. Ako, mas gusto ko ito sa mga tita finds. Lagay natin yung upuan dito. Lagay natin siya dyan. Hay. Actually, hindi ko pala nabuksan yung ilaw. Wait lang, ha? Yan. Better, I think. So, yan. So, and then naka-ready yung aking isang phone para I can take photos of the products na pinadala niyang Living. Grabe. Talagang yung box pa lang, oh. I mean, just imagine how, you know the pricing of Young Living, di ba? Ito yung box, ang bigat. Welcome to the world of wellness. So, tayong mga titas, ito na yung ating mga pinagkakaabalahan. Ang dami! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! So, may mga bubble wraps. So, ayan. Okay. So, grabe. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Naiyak ako. So, for the first item, kailangan ko ng aking antipara. Natataranta ako sa mga ganitong bagay-bagay. So, I got this household cleaner, essential oil infused household cleaner, ultra concentrated thieves. So, ayan. So, yan siya. This is, actually, I was able to use this once, no? In Manila, back in Manila. So, this is my favorite. Sa essential oil, ito yung favorite ko, yung thieves. So, I got this. Yan. So, lagay natin dito. Mamaya, I'll take photo of this. And then, natataranta ako, no? Kids Scent Shampoo Gently Cleanses Hair. Yan. Pangbata. So, yun. Some of these items, I am going to send this to Princess. So, yan. Shampoo. Dalawang shampoo ang nakuha natin. And then, I got this Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement. O, diba? May supplement pa. Just in time. Very, very timely. Yan. So, this is for formulated by, with thieves din ito, guys. So, yan. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang, ilang capsules ito. Let me check. Ayan, 30 capsules. So, yan. So, we actually know how the pricing of Young Living, hindi biro, no? Diba? So, ayan. So, meron ditong letter essential package that can make a difference. Even from afar, we wanted to know you're in our thoughts during these challenging times. Please remember that you are not alone. Your Young Living family stands with you, always here to lend support. This package is sent with the hope that it brings comfort, relief, and a little peace to you and your loved ones. Together, we will get through this. Take care, stay strong, and remember, we're here with you. From your Young Living Philippines family. So, yan. Grabe, diba? I am so touched. Talaga yung mga ganito, ito yung masarap matanggap talaga eh. And then we also have here Thieves Essential Oil Aroma Bright Thieves ano ba to? With peppermint and spearmint essential oils. I think this is toothpaste. So this is a toothpaste. O yan, 'di ba? So I got 2 of this. So definitely papadala ko yung isa kay Princess. And then, itong mental comfort drops. Ayan. So, no processed sugar, no dyes, and artificial flavors, no preservatives. A blend of 6 natural essential oils. Yan. Pagka yung medyo may throat something. And, of course, pag nakakita tayo ng ganito, alam natin na, essential oils. So, meron tayong RC. So, yan, RC. I love it. Not just one. Lavender. Diba? Not just 2, but 3. And then the other one, Thieves. Ayan, favorite ko talaga. Buti may Thieves siya. And then, this one, I don't know what is this. O, diba? Napakasarap mag-unbox talaga, no? Guys, I don't have any idea what this is. Saan ba to? Paano ba to? Hindi ko ikakat itong video, hindi ko siya i-edit whatsoever. Alam niyo naman, di ako marunong mag-edit. Basta yan, kung ano yung nasasabi ko dito, raw, very raw video ito. Kung mabuksan, I don't know what is this. Pero mabigat siya. Oh my gosh. This is Thieves 6 times ultra concentrated laundry soap. Ayan siya. Grabe, ang laki. So, I think this is 2 also, which means I am going to send this to Princess. Okay, ito yung ano, hindi ko tinatapon to. Ang ano yan, basta may something dyan. Yan, tas dalawa yung letter, ikikip ko yan. And then, I have this big box. Alam ko na to, Ningxia, ang laman niya. So, this one, asan na ba yung cutter natin? Let's open this up. Grabe. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang buhay, talagang favorite essential oil ko. Paulit-ulit ako tips. Bakit ba? Gusto kong ulit-ulitin. Okay. So, yan. This one, teka, tanggalin na natin itong box. Now, we have to be very careful kasi this is a bottle. Babasagin ito. We have to be very, very careful about this. So, ayan. So, this is the box. And it comes with this protective something. Gusto ko padala kay Princess ang isa nito. Pero bottle siya eh. So, this is the Ningxia. I just love it. Look at that. Dalawa. My gosh. This is, I mean, grabe. This is mixed fruit drinks. Fruit drink from concentrate. So, ayan. This is 750 ml. So, we know very well yung health benefits ng Ningxia. No? So, marami talagang health benefits ito. Contains acidity regulator and emulsifier as permitted food conditioner, permitted preservative, and flavoring substance. Produced in a facility that also handles dairy, nuts, tree nuts, wheat, fish, eggs, and shellfish. Direction: shake well before use. Best served chilled. Refrigerate after opening and consume within 30 days. Do not use if seal is broken. So, ayan. So, gusto ko sana padala yung isa kay Princess. Tapos, kaso babasagin eh. So, most probably yung papadala ko sa kanya yung Thieves na mga items dito. Yung mga doble-doble. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you again, Chef Corina, of course, and Young Living Family for this, grabe, super duper box of ayuda na super duper really worth it. Super duper talaga, as in, ito pa lang eh, gusto ko nang maglaba. Ito lang ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay, maglaba. So, ayan. So, the items we have here, the Thieves. And then, ito. Ayan. Babasahin ko pa ng bonggang-bongga yan in a little while. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So, hi guys. Again, I'm back. I'm back. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung per item na na-receive ko from Young Living. So, for the first item, we have here 2 bottles of Ningxia. So, ayan. Tuwa-tuwa. And then, yung ating essential oils, I have here RC. And then, I have here Thieves. Sabi ko nga, paulit-ulit ako, this is my favorite. And then, lavender. And then, yung Thieves Mental Comfort Drops. Yan. And then, of course, meron tayong Thieves Toothpaste. Dalawa yan siya. So, yung isa kay Princess. Kids Shampoo. So, ayan. And then, itong Thieves Ultra Soap. So, dalawa to. Yung isa, papadala ko kay Princess. And then, itong ating household cleaner. All-purpose essential oil infused ultra concentrated. So, alam ko, just a small drop of it, of this one, will really make a difference. So, talagang kahit babasahin ko talaga kung ano pa yung mga pwede kong gawin dito. And then, of course, yung Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement. Yan, tama-tama. No? So, yeah. So, thank you very much again, Young Living, for this very generous products that you've sent to us, the victims of Typhoon Christine. So, sabi ko nga, hindi naman talaga ako yung talagang super duper affected, although talagang binaha dun sa baba namin, dito sa baba ng aking apartment. But still, I'm very, very thankful because yun, compared to other people who suffered a lot. So, ayan, thank you very much again, Young Living family.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?